Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming. If you haven't already, hit that like button if you like this video or these types of videos, and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay in our little family. Today, another interesting video. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. It's about that time. I've got a lot of grays sprinkled in this hot mess. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna peel off this thing so I could tell you. This is from Sally's. I use it more than once, although they tell you not to. This is Ion Color Brilliance. I just took off the sticker, but this is in the color Hot Red. You guys can see that. So basically I washed my hair yesterday, so you should have clean hair when you're going to dye your hair. This is a semi-permanent hair color, which means it won't last like maybe 8 weeks. Depends on how often you wash your hair. So I'm gonna pretty much fast forward through the whole video unless I have something to say, show you exactly how I final color. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that I've made sure I've got all of that worked in, you can already see the red coming out. Believe me, by the time it's done, it won't be red. I'm gonna wait 20 to 25 minutes, then I'll rinse it out, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's wet. Okay guys, so I did rinse out the color. There's a little bit right here. But I put conditioner. Let me show you what I used. Tried and true Garnier. This is the papaya flip out, and you probably won't be able to see the color until it's like in the light. So I'm just gonna massage over. I'm just gonna detangle, paddle brush. In the scalp, there's some red that will fade. Can you guys tell the color? How did it come out? It's so hard to tell. Let's see.